Hi, my name is Mark. I've just completed a 5-day Aircrete course from Dan, and I've been looking at a different way of building for probably 20 years. Looked at earthships, looked at different kinds of sandbags, looked at everything out there. Now, my kids heading off for college soon. I'm going to kind of, at that point, want to get a new house smaller than I have now because I don't need the space. And I've looked at every kind of construction method out there, but I kind of about 2-3 years ago heard about Aircrete, saw something online, but didn't know how to do it. I had no idea how to, what kind of Dawn detergent. I didn't know how to do it. So I came across Dan on YouTube, and turned out the timing was just about perfect. So I came down to Texas. I'm in Tyler right now. And this is Skylar, and we became friends. So we came to the workshop, and I kind of wanted to know how to do this because this is what appeals to me. I could afford to hire a builder and build a stick house. I can do that. I just don't want to do that. I kind of like to do it with my own hands. And something about the dome is just aesthetically, it's just so pleasing for me to be able to do that and build it myself and make it just the way I want it. So I came down for 5 days, got dirty, and that's okay. And learned how to do this. Learned how to make them, learned how to mix them, learned how to put them together, learned how to make a structure. And I think I can go home now and do this all by myself. And that's what I wanted out of this. There's a few bugs here in Texas, but that's part of being here. But we got bears where I live, so I think I'd rather get bit by a bug than bit by a bear. So I think it's worth doing this. If you're interested in this, and we're not talking about necessarily, Dan writes down about a tiny giant lifestyle. Well, tiny is only limited by your imagination. You can make any size dome you want. You can hook domes together. I live in a cold place. I'm going to build a garage out of this stuff. I can do that. And now I know how to do it, and I can do it. And it's learnable. And I never ever thought I could build my own house. I'm not a builder, but I can build this, and I know how to do it now. And I learned how to do it here. Right here in Tyler, Texas, from Dan. So if you want to learn how to do this too, make a trip down, spend a few days, and you'll get it also.
There's just no substitute whatsoever for attending a good workshop. You can continue to study forever, but you'll always be plagued with that self-doubt, the uncertainty that you can't do something. And most times, for most people, when we're uncertain, we won't take action. So I want you to be able to build your own house. I want you to move forward and start moving towards your dreams. So if not our workshop, attend a workshop, because when you attend a workshop, you get to experience every part of the process. You know how it feels, you know how it looks, you know what's right and wrong about the process, and you can move forward with confidence knowing that you have the ability, you have the skills, because you've already done it. And you get additional ongoing support that comes with a workshop, so that if you forget something or you need to reach out about an unusual condition, you'll be able to reach out. Click the link below in the description, check it out and sign up for that course.